Welcome back to things that you can do, because if I can do it, it means that you can do it too. All right, so today the plan is to start working on my internal wall. All right, so I have a basement that's finished, but I want to add an extra room. Most of the things that you see here is stuff that I have never attempted. So as you learn, I am learning it as well. So what we're going to be getting at Home Depot today is the planks. If you want to learn how to do this along with me, stay tuned, all right? So how I'm going to approach this is that I'm going to build the entire frame and then I'm going to push it upwards. I'm not building it piece by piece. I'm building an entire frame and I'm going to push it up. If you guys have opinions, again, leave it in the comment. Yeah. So I've already marked out where my plank is going to be laying. We left a space here for the walkway, for the doorway. So what I'm going to do is use this and we're going to cut this rug. Alright, so we're about to do some cutting. Of course, I have the handy dandy daddy here. So we're going to be cutting up these plies. I don't know how to put wood together. I can't put the studs on the baseboards. This is what I got at Home Depot. Pretty much these are some brackets that's going to be holding up my my studs. I was going to be attaching my studs to my baseboard. So this is what we're going to use to attach a stud, the 10D 3-inch nails, all right? And these are common nails. Again, there's the instruction there for construction and carpentry and framing right there. So you really can't go wrong. Beautiful. It took some work. It took a lot of this. That's how tight it was. Sorry, so we saved the best for last. This is the Ramset. And this bad boy is gonna allow me to put a nail through my baseboard and into my concrete. What you need for this to work is powder. And I also got myself some nails. They're 3 inches. And they got this rubber that's gonna come up to the head. What we're gonna be doing is loading one of these shells in. I'm gonna close it up, and then we're gonna load a nail. Make sure that you're pressing down on this with this hand, and then here we go. I'm gonna press down for the center. So now that we've done that, the last step in fastening our frame is to fasten it on the ceiling. I'm really not going to do too much. Maybe we're going to find like maybe 2 or 3 studs, probably about 3. And I'm going to just drive 2 nails each in that stud.